As we start off the design process, we observe the chairs at our home and workplace, from the design catalog and in the one-stop furniture shopping mall. We also search on the web to learn how to make a corrugated chair with 100% of recycled cardboard. We did brainstorming and shared our ideas with words, photos, and even videos after our own observation. Keeping the 5 design constraints in mind, we set up a requirement list and did some sketches. We discussed and decided which ones we would use for prototyping. Mind the problems of our designs, mostly about structural stability and weight requirement. Actually, we failed numerous times even when we built the prototypes before we construct the full-scale model for our final design and testing.
During testing, we found our original design was far too heavy. We moved on to our next design, which uses far less materials. We tested a number of different combinations of materials and configurations to find the best design that would hold the most amount of weight. We had the pleasure of speaking with our mentor, Justin, who has 19 years of graphic design and textile art experience on how to refine our project.
Maximize the amount of pieces that you can get out of each piece. Yeah. So even if you have to, get multiple pieces of one piece out of one sheet of cardboard, or 2 pieces of the same piece, any way that you can, maximize your surface area. And
we took his advice to heart, and then along with the lessons we learned in steps 1 through 5, we finally started on our final chair build. We had several 200-pound men test out the chair. After expressing their initial shock, they added in some suggestions, possibly additional back support, or even in the future adding in arm support. We got our chair weighed at a local post office, and it weighed 69.2 ounces.